It's laundry day again. Laundry day always seems to come too fast. But what do you gotta do? Now I'm doing the white clothes. I like to separate as I do my clothes, you know. I mean, I think most people do that. Yes, every week. I think we ought to wear less clothes, then we don't have to do that much laundry. But being that we do wear clothes, what are we gonna do? Laundry. So, here I go. My little soap in. Really? Come on. Soap. Get my soap going. And get my little bleach going. And that's it. Finishing up for this week. And then, of course, there's always next week. I think that might be enough. I get my little bleach going. And voila. Okay. And that should be it. That's my 1, 2, 3. That's it. Until next time.